Hi everyone. This video is a brief tutorial on the Libby app. Libby is what allows you to download and enjoy ebooks and audiobooks from Delaware County Libraries. All you need is a library card. Libby is an app available for both Apple and Android devices. Just search for Libby on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and install the app as usual. The iOS and Android versions are virtually identical, so this video covers both types of devices. The first time you start Libby, it will ask you if you have a library card. Tap on Yes, and at the next prompt, select Look up your library by name or location. In the box, type a library name, city, or zip code. I'll use the zip code for media, but you can use your own. Tap on Delaware County Library System, and at the next prompt, select Enter Library Account Details. Enter your card number in this box and then sign in. It will show you a virtual card. Click Next. You now have access to all of the ebooks and audiobooks. You can browse for books or search for specific titles. Audiobooks have a little audio icon underneath the book cover. You can check out up to 7 titles at one time. Ebooks work just like regular library books. If a book is checked out, you can put a hold on it and you will get a notification when the book becomes available. When searching for books, you can click the little calendar icon to get an estimate of the wait time. When you find a book that you want to check out, you can tap on the book cover to see more information on the book. From here, you can check the book out if it's available, place a hold on it if it's currently checked out, or look for related titles. Once the book is checked out, it shows up on your shelf. You can send the book to a Kindle device or the Kindle app from here, or just read the book right in Libby. Tap on the right side of the screen to page forward through the book and exit the app when you're done reading. That's it. Enjoy your ebooks and audiobooks. Thank you for using the services of Delaware County Libraries.